In this example, we're going to look at a busy Friday evening at a supermarket. We're looking at their checkout and how many people are waiting to get served. So there's an average of 6 customers per minute who are arriving and waiting to be served by a cashier. And what we want to know is during any given minute, what is the probability that exactly 5 shoppers arrive? Let's also assume that the number who arrive follows a Poisson distribution. Okay, if that's the case, then let's go solve it using our Poisson formula. And the formula is as follows. P that x equals to x equals to lambda to the x, e to the minus lambda, all over x factorial. And in our case, we want to know exactly 5 shoppers, so x for us is 5, and lambda is our average arrival rate, and it's going to be 6. Notice that our time frame is the same too, sorry about that, any given minute, and we have they're arriving per minute as well. So our time frame for both the question and the average given is a minute, so I don't need to change lambda. In future examples and future videos, I'll show you how to change lambda to adjust it if your time frames don't match. Okay, but for now we're good. We can just plug x and lambda straight into the formula, so let's give that a go. Okay, so when x is 5 and lambda is 6, gives us the probability that x equals to 5 is 6 to the power of 5 e to the minus 6 all over 5 factorial. Now you can calculate 5 factorial in your calculators. There should be a factorial key. If not, it's just 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It's nice to see that written out at some point. So any number factorial just means times it by itself, and then every number, or like take that number and times it by every number below it, all the way to 1. And then 6 to the power of 5, e to the minus 6. I'm just going to pause the video and bring up my calculator to do these calculations. Okay, so you can see the power key already, but if we want more options like the factorial, you can switch your calculator. Let's say your computer calculator. You can switch it to scientific mode. Just go to the lines here, the triple line, and switch to scientific. And it gives you more options. Okay, so 6 to the power of 5 is the first one we're getting. And that is 7,776. Okay. Now, e to the minus 6, do e and then to the power of 6 minus, and hit equals. Perfect, that's 0.0002. Okay, there we go. I'm going to leave that on the screen and times right away by the 7,776. Beautiful. And then divide by 5 factorial by just hitting the divide, and then bracket 5, and then factorial is right here. Beautiful. And then just close that bracket if you want. There. You'll see it displayed on the screen here too. Okay, and hit equals, and there we go, 0.1606 is our final answer. Or roughly, that is a 16.06% chance that there will be exactly 5 shoppers at any given minute that arrive at the till and are waiting to be served. Thanks for watching.